Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Tyler.
And I'm David. We're so happy you're here with us today.
In this episode, we're practicing how to introduce yourself in English.
Yes, this episode is called Practice English for Beginners, Introducing Yourself Naturally. Simple conversation.
We'll use easy sentences and help you sound natural and confident.
Don't forget to subscribe and practice with us, Tyler and David, every week.
Okay, David, let's start.
First, a simple sentence. Hi, my name is Tyler.
Repeat after me. Hi, my name is David.
Great! You can also say, I'm Tyler.
Let's say it slowly. I'm David.
Good job! Now let's add more. I'm from Canada.
Repeat. I'm from Australia.
Nice. Now listen to a short conversation. Hi, my name is Tyler. What's your name?
Hi, Tyler. I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Did you hear that? Nice to meet you is very common.
Let's practice it together. Nice to meet you.
You're improving already.
Let's review today's phrases. My name is, I'm from, nice to meet you.
Amazing work today. These are very useful for real life.
Keep practicing and say these sentences out loud.
You're doing great, really.
Now tell us in the comments, what's your name and where are you from?
We love to hear from you.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.